Day 5 of plowing snow. Hope you guys enjoy today's episode. Good morning, friends. A lot of you have asked for updates on how the blizzard's going out here. Well, the snow stopped, but conditions have degraded. I don't know if you can tell behind me. There's my truck, and then the front of that snowdrift is up above the hood. I have places where the snow is 60 plus inches deep, and it's just a frozen wasteland. We were lucky to have power stay on last night. I am worried about some livestock that we have over in one of these other fields over here. I don't know if I can even get to them with the tractor. My goal today is I got to get over to the shop over there and get the tractor back this way. See if I can scoop some of this stuff clear, but with the wind, almost no point, because it's all just going to drift back in. Can see some of the sky over here. So the storm is moving out, but we got another day and a half of the wind. I just let the dogs out for the first time this morning. They're cold weather dogs, but even they're like, oh man, we're gonna go to the bathroom, go back inside next to the wood stove. The temperature's the same. It's supposed to be about the same for the next week. -3 right now Fahrenheit. I believe that's -19 Celsius. So it's a little chilly. If the wind wasn't blowing, it wouldn't be bad. But the wind's still blowing 45, 50 miles an hour. So it drives it right into you right away. My hand, again, already frozen. All right, we're gonna go adventure into the snow. Let's see if we can get the tractor. Tractor's still covered in snow from yesterday. This thing is pretty capable. Well, this is 4-wheel drive with locking diffs and everything on it. And, you know, agricultural tractor tires. And this thing was struggling yesterday. I don't think I can even get it through any of the drifts that are on my roads. I think the only way out would be out and around the field over here. This is crazy, guys. Haven't seen a storm like this ever out here. Guess we were due. sit rep. About 4 hours in, I was able to get out of here get out of the shop, dug a tunnel. I then got stuck by the road, got unstuck by the road, got down the main road to the house, got the truck unstuck, got over to the field on the other side of the property, got our livestock unburied, made a path for them over to their water tank. The top of our water tank was 2 feet under snow. So, 5-foot-ish deep snow. That's all the tractor can do. All the batteries died in the cameras. They don't like how cold it is. The only thing that's worked perfectly is our little Kubota L2501. I have a review on that thing when we first bought it brand new. That's a machine, I tell you what. Running for 4 hours straight out here at full throttle, all the way up. So that's kind of where we're at. We're just trying to dig out. Sun's starting to come out. It's not supposed to be above 25 degrees for the next several days. And that's without the wind chill. Well, there's our update from Eastern Colorado, guys. The snow is feet deep. The wind is incredibly strong. And it is bitter cold. Stay safe, everybody. Stay warm. God bless you. We'll see you next time.